What if I told you there's a secret formula combining three powerful forces and it's quietly creating YouTube giants overnight? Sounds unbelievable? Wait till you see this, because what you're about to learn could change your future. This new YouTube channel exploded from 0 to over 232,000 subscribers in just a few weeks. And no, they're not uploading viral pranks or celebrity gossip. Instead, they post one video a day, every single day. No days off, no shortcuts, just results that scream success. And if you're thinking, great, but do they get actual views? Oh buddy, buckle up. One video from just yesterday crossed 100,000 views, and another from barely a week ago, it skyrocketed to nearly 2 million. Now ask yourself, is that luck or strategy? Let's break it down. The secret, a brilliant fusion of history, viral psychology, and relaxing storytelling. Yep, they've turned calming, ambient content into a high-converting goldmine. Think soft narration, hypnotic music, and visual journeys back in time, all wrapped in videos over 2 hours long. That means more ad time and more revenue. Miss this wave, and you might just regret it 6 months from now. But here's the amazing part, it's not hard to make. In fact, you can do it too, using free AI tools. Yes, even if you've never edited a video before. Step 1. Open ChatGPT, tell it, I want to make historical storytelling videos. Generate 40 high-quality visual prompts with accurate details. Want to boost the quality? Upload screenshots from top-performing channels you admire. ChatGPT will learn and tailor prompts instantly. You'll receive unique prompts with rich context, historical flair, and storytelling potential. Next, let's supercharge those prompts into stunning images using AI's AI. A tool so powerful, I dare say, it feels like magic. Sign up, takes seconds. User interface, smooth as silk. Power, off the charts. Once inside, go to AI Image Generator, paste your prompts, choose one image or 4. Select a vibe, historical, fantasy, classic, digital painting, you name it. And boom, in seconds you've got artwork so crisp, it'll make your viewers blink twice. But hold on, we're just getting warmed up.
Wait, before we move on, if you're dreaming of making real money with AI but don't know where to start, this is your chance. Grab my ebook, Online Business with AI, with 20 plus zero investment business models. Start your journey today. Links in the description. Don't let this opportunity slip away.
Now let's bring your story to life. Log into 11 Labs, paste your AI script, choose your voice, calm, energetic, female, deep baritone, customize your emotion, then hit regenerate, and let the AI craft a voiceover that feels real, professional, and totally YouTube ready. Now for the magic trick, CapCut. This app's a beast, clean, easy, and full of editing power. Start a new project, import your image's audio, drag and drop your way into a masterpiece, arrange the visuals to flow like a story, not a slideshow. Add transitions, fades, slides, even zooms, notice repetition in lighting or color, use brightness, saturation, contrast, give your images character, insert your audio, line it up with each frame, cut, adjust, make it smooth, seamless. Want to make it pop? Add visual effects, particles, light rays, dust, fire, just one click and it's movie quality. Take it next level. Animate your photos. Zoom in, fade out, spin into the next scene. It's subtle, but makes all the difference. Once everything feels perfect, from visuals to voice, from story to flow, it's export time. Go big, 1080p or 4K. Don't compromise. And just like that, you've built a high-quality, high-earning, fully AI-powered YouTube video. This method is a golden opportunity. And right now, the field is still wide open. If you're serious about using AI to grow faster, smarter, and with zero investment, try AI's tools. Links in the description and pinned comment. No excuses, no waiting. You could be just one upload away from your breakthrough. Thanks for watching, and hey, don't give up on your dreams. Success doesn't come easy, but with the right tools and mindset, it will come. Subscribe, stay focused, and I'll see you at the top. Maui.